Hey gun people, figured I would show you how I'm going to clean these guns here a little bit. So basically, this is what all the oil was in. I'll wipe this down, put most of that oil back. I keep all my old oil in case I need to oil something. First I rubbed down a bunch of tools that I had in there because I had some on my hands and I already had it on this. So I just went ahead and any tool that was sitting out that I could see, I went ahead and gave it a rub down with some of this oil. Then I wiped it out. Still getting pretty good stuff, but I'm going to go ahead and put some more Dawn in here. Not a whole bunch, but and I hose the guns down. You can tell where the gun squirts out if you put water pressure in holes. So this is where all the water is trapping, and when you get too much oil and stuff, that's where it's all going when this is underwater. So where you see water squirting out, so now I'm just gonna give that a good suds down. This is the way we used to clean our guns in the military a lot. Was we'd take apart the old M60. They don't use M60 anymore. I forgot what they use. Some of the newer guys went over. Those were our automatic weapons, belt-fed weapon, and that's what we used to. That's how we clean them. We take these suckers apart, put big buckets of water, soap them all down. You know you got them good and clean. After we sprayed it out, we'd lay them out in the sun while we're eating chow. And then, still kind of slippery. And now I'm going to go in and take it completely apart, do a complete breakdown, and give them a good cleaning. So I'll just throw those in there. So that's one part. Working that in the barrel. That's the other part. And if you ever get your gun dirty and really get it out there and it's just really trashed, well, a little soap and water ain't gonna hurt it. They get rained on, cops jumping in and out of pools, chasing each other through fields, slipping in the mud. Whoa, man, I can't get this little pin over here. Ah, got it. And this is going to get most of the top oils off. And then I'll, when I take it completely apart, I'll wipe down each and every piece to make sure that I got all that car oil. Not that it's going to hurt it. I just want to put it back in my ready position where I know it's good and clean. And when I pull it apart, I'll slide in a little video where which one had, I'm pretty sure the one that has the maritime cups are the ones that work in the water. And I'll pull these mags apart also. water squirting out the bottom there. So it's clean water coming out, but I can still say they got a little film on them. So that's how I'm going to make sure this is clean. I'll go wash this in the house before I put it up, before I cook my next pot roast or something in here. You're like, I need pot roast at your house. Whatever. Alright. So that did, that's how I'm going to clean those suckers up. I'll take them in and do a good cleaning.